doing my laundry while my truck's getting the trailer fixed on it. Guy over there welding away on it. But I had to get a new air tank replaced. Not necessarily new, but they took a tank off of another trailer and put it on that one. So, doing laundry while I'm broken down here. I want to wash my rugs, but I'll probably just have to wait until I get somewhere at a terminal, because I only got two washers here and I don't want to tie them all up. And it looks like he may be finishing up once he gets it welded on there. Work it away. Working away on my truck. Well, hopefully it'll be done in a few hours and I'll finish up my laundry. But my trip this morning started out in Centralia, Missouri. Picked up this load. It's like the on those high power voltage lines. These are like the things, I guess, that the ceramic insulators go on that hold the actual wire. That's what it looks like. So drove all the way to Mount Vernon, Illinois, and stopped at a truck stop to see if it was possibly something they could fix, and it wasn't. Turned out to be the actual tank was rusted out. So I had to backtrack about 75 miles just outside of East St. Louis in Caseyville. And I've been here since about 11 or 12 o'clock this morning. Used the time to clean my truck up a little bit, wash the windows, and put my straps with some waterproof on the straps so they'll stay flexible when it freezes and they won't freeze up. And came in here and started doing laundry, and that's taking up a lot of the time. But the mechanic is putting up his torch, so that's a good sign that he's almost done. And once that's done, I'll finish my break. I'm on probably just go ahead and take a 10-hour break and take off probably 2 or 3 in the morning tonight. Take off about 2 or 3 o'clock and drive as far as I can drive and shut it down, and then get up again and drive it on in. But it's the 12th and it's due on the 14th. So I think right now I have until midnight on the 14th to drop my load off. But I still got 1,000 miles, so pretty much that's 500 miles a day. So I'm gonna try to make it at least outside of Nashville tonight once I get back on the road, and then wake up in Nashville and try to drive it on into Lake Mary, Florida. But some days in trucking, it's just you never know what's gonna happen. I knew I had a leak. I just didn't know it was that bad until I looked up underneath the trailer and saw all the rust around the tank. But it's been an interesting day. I got caught up on stuff that I wanted to do, so it wasn't a bad day. A bad day to me is being up in the Rocky Mountains on ice, going down a steep mountain pass, or being in New York City in the rain and traffic. Those are bad days for me. But other than that, I don't really have any bad days out here. It's just whatever happens, you deal with it and go on down the road. While I'm watching these trucks, this looks new. This red truck right here. They've got a lot of new trucks here. This is Earl Henderson Trucking Company, and they let Prime use their yard. And I didn't even know we had a yard here in Caseyville, but now I do. So I can stop here and take a break sometimes if I need to take a break. I can stop here. Don't gotta go to a truck stop. Got one in Denver. We got yards in different places, I just don't know all of them. You don't know until you have to use one of them. Then once you use it, it's like, okay, put that on the list. Because you get tired of truck stops sometimes. I got wash my clothes for 50 cents a load here, 50 cents to dry. At a truck stop, it's $2.50, $2.75, $3 just to wash, and then that same amount to dry. So, it's one of those days. Peace. Until later.